by partition of India, various questions, various problems remained unsolved and unanswered. And national integration is not one time process. And for a country like India, given its ethnic, cultural, and religious diversity, it was a quite complicated phenomenon. It had three levels. Number one, emotional level. Emotional level where everyone was empathized with the least advantaged section of the society. The least advantaged section of the society. Second, material level where citizens have equality before law and equal protection by law. Spiritual level where everyone was to understand the needs and interests of the diverse ethnic groups in society. Clear? And you know that Nehru, who is known as the architect of Indian nation building, had clearly specified that India was not a mere geographical or historical entity. According to him, India had a unique capability to synthesize alien culture, and this had been the secret of India's unity in diversity. People of India are secular and live in ethnic, lingual, and cultural uniformity with others. Since ancient times, Greek Indian scholars have proclaimed the concept of Vasudeva, that is, the whole world is one family. Owing to this, India has been able to hold on to its unity despite diversity. So, 21st century, the whole world has woken up to the faces of the diversity. Selfish and petty politicians have sowed seeds of disintegration by using ethnic, lingual, and what we call cultural factionalism for narrow political gains. उस वक़्त के दौर में भी कुछ पॉलिटिशियंस थे जो अपने पेटी इंटरेस्ट्स के बारे में को हासिल करने के लिए जिन्होंने सारी कौम को दांव पे लगाया. It's a battling of the faith imposed in Indian unity and diversity led by Nehru, which needs to be protected and safeguarded. So you know that the colonial legacy came in the form of refugee resettlement, Kashmir crisis, or reorganization of the state and political conflict over language. तो जो पार्टीशन वजूद में आई उसके कुछ महरक़ात उसके पीछे थे. उस वक़्त जो कश्मीर क्राइसिस थी, reorganization of states थी, political conflicts के और language थी. So you know that the partition came into being. India was divided into two nation states, that is India and Pakistan. And you know that the division was based on the two-nation theory educated by Muslim League, which led that Congress that India consisted of not one but two peoples, Hindus and Muslims. जी सभी आप लोग जानते हैं हिंदुस्तान के अंदर सबसे बड़ी दो कम्युनिटीज़ थी, हिंदूज एंड मुस्लिम्स. And you know that Muslim League therefore demanded a separate state for Muslims. The Congress was vehemently opposed to this duty. But several political developments in 1940s, the political competition between Congress and the Muslim League, and the British policy of divide and rule finally led to the partition of India and the creation of Pakistan. चूँकि उस वक़्त भी हिंदुस्तान के जो प्रोमिनेंट लीडर्स थे पार्टीशन के हक में नहीं थे, लेकिन इस कन्फ्रंटेशन के बाद ब्रिटिश पॉलिसी जो डिवाइड एंड रूल की पॉलिसी जो उन्होंने अपनाई थी यहाँ पे, so this finally led to the partition of India and Pakistan, and this way Pakistan was created as a separate nation, as a Muslim nation state, and India was divided into two nation states. And tomorrow we will try to discuss the process of partition. Thank you.